middle class be form a greater part in economic growth and development. And in doing so, part of those additional steps, we can also talk about the bricolage, digitalization. Bricolage is para-paraan na lahat of the middle class are very into that. No? Paparaan na natin kung ano man yung meron tayo para ma-augment, no, yung ating mga kakulangan pa in order for us to live prosperous in this generation. Also, it's very important that we also harness the gig economy so that our middle class would have more opportunities to create more income for themselves so that they live according to the ambition goals. And also, it is very important for the middle class to be given the opportunity to own the ownership of that movement in the distribution from poverty to non-poor. And by giving them that ownership, they are able to be more sustainable in keeping that status of being part of the middle class, upper middle class, and eventually to totally escaping the chains of poverty. And one of the things that we can consider in allowing them to own that shift towards the middle class is for them to have this financial literacy. In a lot of discussion, a lot of forums has already looked into how financial literacy would be able to help the middle class own that shift. And when we say financial literacy, one of the discussion there is to help the middle class form more capital, get more assets rather than getting more liabilities. So those concepts of personal finance will be able to help the middle class also to own that movement alongside the support that government has been giving to everyone so that we are all able to sustain that shift of the distribution towards lower poverty incidence. Maraming salamat po.